if the camera doesn't fall. We'll be there in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey Bali babes, welcome back. Today I wanted to do something different for you guys and actually take you out with me to the thrift store because I had a plan today. I said I really wanted to go thrifting, find some good stuff. So I kind of just wanted to take you with me to show you what kind of items I like to get, what things I more so look for than others, even different ideas for things you can pick up and then maybe flip into other items. I love going thrift shopping and finding gems. Like I can find clothes, containers, socks. Okay, maybe not socks, but like you get it, all types of stuff. So I wanted to take you guys with me so you could kind of see my process, what I like to find. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. I would love that. And hit the bell button so you know when I post things. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so usually I start off at like the shoe section. Depends. Oh, hey, there's me. Yeah, I like to start off at the shoe section, but usually they have heels and stuff, which I'm not a fan of, so I try to move on, or I'll move on. Pants. I love for sure the pants section. I like to find like elastic waist pants, kind of like those. Sweatpants, always a go. Jeans. I go to the men's section and I look for shirts or sweaters. I like to crop something like this and then wear it. So I'll look through the t-shirts, the men's t-shirts. And always love a good Hawaiian shirt. That's my thing. So I try to grab those if I can find them. Sweatpants, like I said, elastic pants, always a go. Joggers. High-waisted cotton shorts are some of my favorites too. Super light for summer. As you can see, I love elastic banded pants. Sometimes I cut them into shorts for myself too if they're long denim pants. I even like to go to the men's section and I look at their joggers because those two I like to cut into shorts as well. I like to go to the bathing suit section too. That one I can pick out mix and match pieces, so if I can find a top or a bottom on its own, I'll usually do that. Oh, and there's a sock. I found a sock. That's a bean bag. I mean, you can find so many different things at a thrift store. This is like the kids' toy section, but see, I found a cute little purse over there as well. So you can find stuff scattered throughout the thrift store, so make sure you look in all the nooks and crannies. I even look at the kids' clothes section, so I'll kind of sort through that a little bit. And drop stuff in the process, no big deal. Then I like to go to like the fabric and decoration section. Yeah, because look at that cute ribbon. I mean, it's Christmas ribbon, but still. I like to find fabrics because usually what I'll do is if I can find the fabric in bulk, I'll make like headscarves or bandanas, stitch them together. And also check out the home goods section. I always do that because look at this cute box. It's like a little jewelry box. And that light up sign. There's a bunch of picture frames too that are here. All different designs. A conch shell. Here's me and my bag. Look at all the stuff I got. Thank you, Faith Lutheran. You can see a hat poking out. Okay, I'm gonna get in the car now. Woo! As you can see, it is boiling AF. I am sweating, but I got so much cute stuff. You saw like some of the hats and stuff, so this is super cute. This little hat right here. I got like a couple other hats that I'll show you. I do love that thrift store because they have so many different sales. They have like a bag sale. They have like 49-cent sales. So that one is my favorite one to go to. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments, DMs, whatever. And I'm gonna go home now. So thank you so much for watching. I'm really glad you guys tuned in. As you can see, now I'm getting sweaty, so I gotta go. But I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.